Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a table in Publisher with different columns. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make a table with different column. Firstly, insert a table. Go to the Insert menu. Then we can see here the table option. Then we select column and row to insert a table. Now we want to make this table different columns. Firstly, select the first column, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the table design menu, then select the fill drop down menu and choose any color. Then select the another column and apply another color. Then select another columns and apply another color. Now we can see we make this table with different columns very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.